Put the magnet back on the fridge. Oh.
Come here. You little monster. Round.
Millie, you try. You giving up? Don't give up. Oh no, you won't be able to get the dolphin one. Jesus.
Pardon?
No, don't get that one. You got it. Good boy.
Thank you.
This is really funny, listen. This is going on YouTube. Or should I give it to you, big frame, and get 250 quid?
Are you taping that bit while you're saying it?
Yeah. Watch, Jin. 1, 2, 3. They should do this while Scott and Auntie Di are down. Make them laugh. I can't believe you don't like cats.
Have you finished?
Alright.
Right, stop it now.